You and I will be discussing on how to make money online as a teenager, which means that we will explore the different ways that other teenagers are already making money and see the one that aligns perfectly with you. All I'm asking from you is just to subscribe to my channel and like this video. For all the effort I put in to give you this secret sauce, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's just jump in and start exploring businesses you and I can start today and earn for free. Since you're a teenager, I want to start by assuming that you may likely be a student. So, how do you make money as a student? And there are different platforms that you can use to make money as a student, and one of them is through Study Pool. This is where you submit your assignment work, your coursework, your course material, or anything that you've used to study and sell it to other students. So instead of just throwing your books away, instead of throwing your materials away at the end of the semester, in Study Pool and similar website I will mention, you can sell it to other students and you can make a lot of money by selling it. There are a lot of subjects that involve business, humanities, mathematics, programming, engineering, foreign languages, and that you can sell your coursework, your course materials to other students. And also, you can become a tutor. You see, here is where you say document, and here is how you become a tutor, where you teach other students the courses that you are very good at. So, are you someone that's in school? You can start making money even while you study. So, you can see examples of material that people are selling. You are seeing it here. So, you too can come and sell your own here. If you click on become a tutor, you can just apply to be a tutor and start earning reliable income at your full freedom and flexibility. For a browse online, highest earners on Study Pool, you can see what people are earning on Study Pool. So you too can earn the same thing or even earn more than these people. And these people are most likely students, teenagers like you, and they're earning about $41,490 just by teaching on Study Pool. So we currently have similar websites like Course Hero, Great Body, Nexus Note, NoteSay, NoteGene, NoteSmate, NotesVilla. So all these other platforms offer similar service that's parallel to Study Pool. It's where you sell your notes to other students and you can also teach other students. And of course, for selling the notes, you are paid for doing that. There's also some random tasks you can do on websites like Amazon Mechanical Talks. Involve you doing some tasks for companies, businesses, individuals. There are small tasks, not too difficult. And for doing those tasks, you get paid for it. So you see, just come Amazon Mechanical Talk and you get paid for doing small tasks for businesses. And the tasks can range from taking survey, data entering, identifying photographs, audio, video transcribing, completing Excel spreadsheet, and more. The last one we have is, we have market research. So there are websites like user testing and respondent. Let's go there. That teenagers are using to make money. User testing. So here it simply involves you answering survey questions. So here, user testing, you see, you can enroll on user testing and start answering questions. So you will test website, apps, and prototypes. So if someone wants to make a website, I want to make an app, I want like the first user's view of it. So they come to this website to look for teenagers that will help them to review a website or review an app. So you just go through the website, go through the app with them, tell them what you like and what you don't like. You don't have to be an expert. No. The way you use normal app, this feature is bad. And they pay you about $20 for 20 minutes video. We currently have Respondent. It's even used by companies like IBM, Microsoft, Dropbox, GoDaddy. So what it simply involves is that you give your feedback, insight to businesses on what you like about their website, about their product, about their brand, about the new shoe. Imagine Adidas about to make a new shoe. They have made the first type of the shoe. They want to get users' feedback on the shoe before they release it to the public. So they will come to this website to look for you, to tell you to wear the shoe and give them a review of the shoe. It's simple. It's very simple. I guess it's what you can do as a teenager and earn money from it. So you see, on user testing, they say get paid to share your perspective with global brands. Earn a little extra money in your spare time by helping brands build better products and experiences for people around the world. So they're telling you to come to see how it works. You apply, then you browse through different products that are there. you test the product. It can be a website. Testing just means giving your feedback, telling them what you like and what you don't like. It's like a review of a product, of a website, of an app, of this shirt I'm wearing. It could be anything. So there are different products, different designs that are there. You go for the one that you like and give your review of it. So for giving your review of it, you are paid for it. It's a way to make money in your spare time as a teenager. So it's similar to Respondent. They offer similar services. There are different third-party websites that you can register today to be an online tutor that you can teach people either on one-to-one basis or one-to-group basis. And do you know what? You do it at the comfort of your house, sipping your tea and teaching other students all over the world. Apart from just making money, you're able to contribute, you're able to advance other people's knowledge in what you already know. So are you good in teaching mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, geography, home economics, politics, this, that? So what do you know about? You can register on teaching platform in order to start teaching what you already know. So you can see a good example is tutor.com. 3,000 plus expert tutors in 250 plus subjects on demand, one-to-one tutoring anytime, anywhere. You see, this is a good example of how people are teaching different courses on these third-party websites. So you can register and start teaching on this platform. Students are already coming here to come and enroll. So let's go to another one. One of the websites that I love so much is my tutor. So you can sign up and start teaching other students on what you know very well. So let's explore it further. You see, handpicked tutors from £20 per hour. So in 1 hour, you can make £20. And if you're teaching a group, you can make like £50 per hour. All you just need to do is just apply and start teaching what you already know. It's the basic mathematics, physics, biology, science, or social science, or whatever field that you are very good at. There are different levels of students, 11 plus, 13 plus, KS2, university. So you are going with what you are comfortable with. What are you okay with? That's why you're coming here to come and teach. So other students are coming to pay these prices, and trust me, you will get about 50 to 80% of the cut of the price. So even as a teenager, of course, you are allowed to enroll and start teaching on this platform. We equally have different other platforms like My Tutor, Sheng Tutors, Tutor Me, My Private Tutor, Schooly, Wiz. There are different platforms that you can use to teach your favorite subject and courses. It's what you already know. Instead of wasting this knowledge, instead of being selfish with what you already know, teach other people and earn from it. Very close to this online teaching is teaching English language. So here we are specific to teaching English language. There are people that want to learn English, people from different parts of the world. English is becoming like the universal language. So people are interested to learn it. So if you are someone that's very skillful in English, you can teach other people the language you already know, and you earn money by doing that. There are different platforms for teaching English language online. So, but I want to explore VIP Kid and Sheng Tutors. So you see VIP Kid earn $14 to $22 an hour from the comfort of your home. Even they are telling you, all you need to do is just sign up to teach English language online. So there are people that want to learn English language from you. And if you're someone that can speak English very well, your skill is highly needed. They want you to register on this platform to start teaching other students. So you can go through here to see the application process as a teacher. And also we actually have Cambly. Say hello to your private English tutor. You see, these are the tutors that are teaching other people English language. So you, what can you teach? Come here and start teaching people how to speak English. A noun is a pronoun. A pronoun is a noun. No, a pronoun is a noun that's a pronoun in a noun. No, it's a noun that's a pronoun. A pronoun is a noun, pronoun, noun, verb, adjective. You know how to teach English language better than me, self. So come and enroll and start making money online. So there are different other websites and platforms I can click on for you to explore. We have Q Kids, iTutor Group, Cambly, Amazing Talker, Blink ABC, Zebra English, Class 100, iTalki, that you can use today in order to start teaching English language. Jobs you can do outside your house that you can make money from. And the first one is delivery. You can deliver for Amazon, for Uber Eats, Deliveroo, DoorDash. So for doing this delivery, you get paid for doing them. So as a teenager that want to make money urgently, you can register to deliver for Uber or for Deliveroo, and you are paid for doing that. Doing random tax with TaxRabbit. So if you go to TaxRabbit, you can do some random tax and get paid. If you are looking for urgent money as a teenager, TaxRabbit, There are all kinds of jobs here. Become a taxer. Then you can do some furniture work for people, project work for people. What can you do with your hand? You can come and enroll it there and do some work around your neighborhood and you get paid for doing it. You could be cleaning bathroom, you could be moving buses via truck, mounting a TV. If you're someone that have skill, do all these manual jobs, technical jobs, this will be very useful for you, See the job that are available, plant flowers, carry flowers, lift furnitures, fix a running toilet, assemble a table, mount a TV, move boxes around. If you're someone that's very good in doing all these manual jobs, this will be excellent for you. Just come to TaxRabbit and register, and you get paid for doing this tax. Of course, I'm in the UK. That's why it's showing me taxrabbit.co.uk. But depending on where you are, the website like this or similar website, that you can use to get manual jobs around your area that you can do today and get paid for it. So which means you can do car washing, cleaning, delivery, errands, pet sitting, house sitting, home repairs, data entry, cooking, IKEA assembles, and etc. That's a lot of things. And the last, not the least, is survey. I didn't want to talk about survey because I know as a teenager you've heard and overheard it. So I won't go into detail about survey so that I won't bore you with it. But the best survey website out there is Swagbox. I know you already know about survey. It just simply means answering questions. They pay you for answering the question. So you see, I'm trying to sign up to Swagbox, and as you answer question on Swagbox, you earn Swagbox points, which you can use to buy things on eBay, on Iceland, on Asda. So there are different ways you can earn. They can pay you the money through paper cash, through Amazon gift card, through other ways. Most popular is paper and Amazon gift cards. So you just simply involve answering survey, answering questions. They can ask you questions ranging from different areas. So as you answer them, you earn some points. I'm sure you already know about survey. Don't let me stretch myself talking about survey, because as a teenager that want to make money online, you've heard about surveys. So I just brought you here to tell you that there are several survey websites. Some of them don't pay you. So that's why you need to read the review before you start. But the best is Swagbox. Swagbox is good. Survey Junkie is good. My Point is good. And Inbox Dollars is also good. So these are the best survey website as a teenager. To talk about. There are a lot of ways that you've discovered that you as a teenager can make money. So there's nothing stopping you except yourself. My advice is don't stop yourself. You've seen businesses that you can do either in your house or outside your house. Different businesses you can do. My advice is anyone that interests you, go on the website and research on it in order to master your craft and start making money as a teenager. And the good thing is that these businesses are things you can build up to a full-scale business. So please don't look down on them. Start small and grow big. And just to end, all I'm asking from you is just to subscribe to my channel and like this video. For all the effort I put in to give you this secret sauce, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I wish you the best, and I have other classes that you can take in order to learn more about each of these side hustles. Thank you. Bye.